Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a premium cleaning powerhouse, the ECOVACS DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone robot vacuum and mop. If you're looking for a smart, hands-free cleaning system with serious performance, this one is definitely worth your attention. Let's start with power. The DEEBOT X11 delivers an impressive 19,500 PA suction, making it more than capable of pulling out dirt, dust, and pet hair from carpets, hardwood floors, and tiles. Whether it's everyday mess or deep cleaning, this vacuum doesn't mess around. Now, what really makes this model stand out is the OZMO Roller 2.0 self-washing mopping system. Unlike standard mops, this roller actively scrubs your floors while continuously cleaning itself, so you're always using a fresh surface. That means better stain removal and a much more hygienic clean. Another big upgrade is the OmniCyclone bagless station. Instead of dealing with disposable dust bags, this system collects dust in a reusable container, saving you money over time and making it more eco-friendly. Plus, it still offers automatic dust collection, so you get the convenience without the extra cost of bags. Charging is also smarter here with Power Boost technology, which optimizes charging speed and efficiency so your robot is always ready to go when you need it. Navigation is handled by AIVI 3D technology, allowing the robot to intelligently detect and avoid obstacles like cables, furniture, and everyday objects. This results in smoother cleaning paths and fewer interruptions. And of course, you get full app control. You can schedule cleanings, set no-go zones, customize cleaning intensity, and even choose specific rooms to clean all from your phone. So overall, the ECOVACS DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone combines powerful suction, advanced mopping, and smart automation into one premium package. It's built for people who want top-tier cleaning with minimal effort. If you're ready to upgrade your cleaning routine, check the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.